Hello and welcome to another episode of the Williams Learning Lab. In this episode, we will be learning how to balance a double replacement reaction. In the generic equation of a double replacement reaction, we have AB plus CD yields AD plus CB. So we have two ionic compounds, and basically all they do is do a switch with the cations. So let's get on to our example. So the example we're going to be exploring here is barium chloride reacting with sodium sulfate. Something to note here, whenever you notice that there are polyatomic ions such as SO4, it is often useful to just group those together. If you see them on both sides of the equation, group them together because they travel together. So I like to list the different elements on each side of our reaction arrow. Okay. And then in our products, we also have those same ones: barium, chlorine, sodium, and our SO4 sulfate. At this point, what I'm going to do is just count the number of atoms on each side. So there's one barium, there are two chlorines, there are two sodiums, and there is one SO4. On the product side, we have one barium, one SO4, one chlorine, and one sodium. Okay, we see from this that the elements that are out of balance are our chlorine and our sodium. So let's get those balanced. Looking at our product side, let's just go ahead and we'll start with our sodium. There's 2 on the reactants, so we need 2 on the product side. So what number can we multiply times 1 to get 2? Well, of course, that number is 2. And so now we have consequences of putting a coefficient of 2 here. So 2 times 1 sodium, we have 2 sodiums now. 2 times 1 chlorine, we have 2 chlorines now. We still have 1 barium, we still have 1 sulfate group. And at this point, we have now balanced the chemical reaction. So 1 barium, 2 chlorines, 2 sodiums, 1 sulfate. If you found this video useful, would you please consider commenting, or subscribing? And until next time, keep on learning.